Hi my dear friends, welcome to my channel Noila Creations. Craving something cool and creamy this summer? Try this rich Malai Kulfi. No Khoya, no Cornflour and absolutely no fuss. In a mixer jar, add 1 tablespoon of cashew nuts, 7 almonds, 5 pistas, 2 cardamoms. Cover the mixer jar with the lid and grind coarsely. Now keep this aside. Place a pan on low flame, add 515 ml of milk. This is full fat milk. As the milk simmers, the cream collects on top. Scrape it in, that's the good stuff. Once it starts boiling, add a few saffron strands. Mix well. Remember to keep stirring in between. After 16 minutes, add less than 1/4 cup of condensed milk. Mix. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Add 2 tablespoons of condensed milk and mix. After 15 minutes, transfer the ground ingredients from the mixer jar into the pan. Mix well. Switch off the flame and let it cool completely. Once cooled, pour the kulfi mixture into molds. You can also use paper cups or small steel bowls, whatever you have at home. If you enjoyed this easy kulfi recipe, do give this video a like, share it with your family and friends, and subscribe for more Indian, Goan and international recipes made simple and delicious. Freeze overnight or until fully set. To serve, dip the molds in water for a few seconds so that the kulfi comes out easily. You can garnish with chopped pistachios or almonds. And there it is, rich, creamy and so satisfying without khoya or cornflour. This kulfi is truly a summer treat I keep coming back to. More tasty treats coming soon. Thanks for watching.